hot as balls. Nothing more that I want than to get spritzed. This is an enlightening experience. Insane. What a cool experience. We're back at it again, ready for a temple tour. Hopefully this is a little bit better than our venture out to the Grand Palace last time where we could not get in. I checked this time, I was smart enough, and I checked the schedule ahead of time and saw that they closed at noon today. So we were smart this time. We checked ahead of time, but we were recommended to check out 2 temples today and go across the river in a longboat. So I think that's super exciting. And we're gonna check out a restaurant by the riverside, by the riverfront. Supposedly really good food. It said that it was Michelin rated. Maybe Michelin, it's in the Michelin guide. It doesn't have a star though, but I'm really excited to try it out tonight. It should be really good views too. So let's get to it. All right, we made it to the temple. It is 93 degrees Fahrenheit out here, so it is freaking hot as balls. I'm wearing jeans because it's supposed to be respectful at the temple to not cover, like to not have shorts on, so I'm paying the price for being respectful right now. But yeah, we're headed over to the entrance right now. Let's go check it out. All right, we made it inside the temple area. At the risk of completely butchering what it's called, I think it's called Wat Pho. Wat Pho. Again, look, the fit, check the fit out. We're wearing jeans, trying to be respectful here at the temple. I did also confirm that you can record here as well, so we're gonna start walking around and checking it out. Let's go take a look. So I could hear that water fountain going, and there's nothing more that I want than to get spritzed right now by just... Look at this, look at this. There's the... Oh, actually, there's some shade and a breeze right now. Look at that, look at that, look at it, it's taunting me. It's taunting me. 93 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It is really nice to be in the shade right here, though. Obviously, all of this, all outdoors. Oh my God, look at this. This is pretty cool. They've got a cold water vending machine, and with your ticket, your admissions ticket, you scan the QR code. Oh my God, the shade feels so good. You scan the QR code and you get access to your free cold water, and I cannot wait. I'm very hot, very sweaty. I'm gonna find a nice, cool, breezy area. I think I found one right now. Bench, shade, breeze, and we're gonna drink our cold water. Whew. Oh, that's nice. This is an enlightening experience. So this is pretty cool that you can see on the roof all of these little individual tiles, but we got to see them up close and personal as they were kind of doing renovations, continue to work on the temple itself. Each little layered piece, each tiled piece of the roof, really, really cool to see it. Alright, so we made it over to an ice cream shop across the street from the temple. Got a nice coconut shell, coconut ice cream, looks like with some peanuts in it. Should be able to cool us down, I can't wait. You can see the bits of real coconut shavings on it. Super good. Really coconut flavor. Sometimes it's the little things in life. You're sitting next to on the street, having a nice coconut ice cream, eating out of the coconut, right across the famous temple, and you know, your coconut ice cream spills on your shirt and on your neck, and you look like you just jizzed all over yourself outside the temple. So it's little things in life, guys. So we are one temple down. We're gonna head over to a long boat and then head over to the second temple. Temple run, 1 out of 2 completed, 50% done. Let's head on over to the next place. All right, guys, we just paid for a private 1 hour, baby. Yeah, we just paid for a 1 hour long. Yeah, 1 whole hour, 1 whole hour. We just paid for a whole, oh my gosh, it's really bumpy up here. A whole 1 hour on a longtail boat by ourselves, completely private. They're gonna take us around the river here. And then we're headed over afterwards to Water Run Tower. So we've got over here, we've got all this over here, and it's gonna be just crazy. It's already choppy out here, but it's gonna be quite the experience, absolutely.
Boating market. For the beer, cola, water.
I'm good, thank you.
This one the elephant.
I'm good, thank you. Very nice, beautiful. So I paid for an hour of this private boating excursion, and it's only been maybe about 20-ish minutes, and it's the best amount of money I've spent. This tour driver, absolutely amazing. Not great English, but he's so funny. He's pointing stuff out, and just the crazy view of Bangkok on the river that you get. Insane. What a cool experience. Highly recommended. Alright, so we just said goodbye to our very friendly driver. One of the coolest experiences I've ever had. 1 hour out there on the river. My hair is crazy. The water was choppy, but what a seriously cool experience. We're headed over now to Arun. He dropped us over, so you can see how far that distance is between that side and our side. It's not that far, but then he took us through the canals that took us all the way through most of Bangkok. So this way, thank you. So, what a cool experience. Now we're over here by Arun right here, and we're already at our next destination, so let's go check it out. All right, so we're here at Arun, which apparently has some of the Buddha's relics inside the large spire over there. So really beautiful architecture, really cool building. I am freaking so hot right now.
Yeah, you are.
But look at this. This is worth seeing right here. Wow. Ooh, 93 degrees weather. We've sought shelter finally at a restaurant. Highly recommended by a friend. I can't say the name out loud. You guys sound it out. I can't say it out loud, but we did get a hydration drink, a whole coconut. I can't wait to take a rest of this. So good. With a sugar cane straw too. You can't beat that. Getting well hydrated right now. Alright, that's the end of our first leg of the trip. We're finally ending our week in Bangkok. Really fun. Was out late last night clubbing. What a good way to end my stay. Man, it's been a blast. We will be back, of course. We're going to Kuala Lumpur first, KL. We got up, had breakfast, quick gym session, and then already checked out, and now we're on the way to the airport. So let's go ahead and get it. Alright, we officially made it through security, on the way towards finding where the closest lounge is. So, beautiful airport. And it was actually such a breeze to go through security. I was kind of freaking out because the hotel concierge told me that I was going to be in a big rush and she hoped that I was going to make it safely. The entire grab took me 30 minutes to the airport, which is absolutely insane. I had a very experienced cab driver. Passport control was fast, security was a breeze. Now we just have to hunt down the lounge, and we're probably 2 hours early for the flight still. So it's the little things in life. Alright guys, we made it to the KLM lounge, and you would not believe our luck. It's right next to our gate. And so it was crazy that it said that we were going to be boarding an hour before departure. I've never seen a boarding that early. My hair's crazy. It's just crazy. There's no fixing it. I've never seen a boarding that early, but what's crazy is I was concerned about, hopping in real quick for the lounge, grabbing something, and then going. But as I was checking in, she said, hey, the gate's your gate's actually right there. Go sit in that corner, which I'm in the corner spot right now, and you can see when it starts boarding. It's already actually 15 minutes past when they said they were going to start boarding, and the plane just arrived here. They just deplaned. So I'm going to sit here, relax, have a little sushi, a little scotch and Coke Zero, and just relax, and then we'll see when everyone starts boarding, and then we'll mosey on over there. So good start so far.